Alright, gonna be leaving this place to catch a boat to Lanyu. Yeah. Been on this boat for like 10 minutes, doesn't feel that good. Everybody was taking pictures, now look at everybody. Now everyone's more going for the chill vibe. Coming close to the island, right about there. It was actually not that bad. I didn't puke. Just look at the horizon and I think it really helps. And we made it. View is amazing. Person in front of me does not look okay. Alright, so we arrived on the island. Now we're kind of gonna hitchhike. I've never done this. It's shitless, but let's see what happens. I don't even know if any car will stop for me. Yeah, but this place looks awesome. Sea is right here. Cool. Just got into a random car. Not good. That was the car that I just got. Hey kitty.